Hello, welcome to Miss Shaw's learning video for phonics on Monday. Today we're talking about phonological awareness with initial sound P. P. We are on My View Reading Unit 1, Week 3. Here's a link to my YouTube channel that should have all of the latest videos. And each day we should have one for phonics, high frequency words, and comprehension. Phonological awareness. Monday, initial sound P, spelled P. This week we'll be working on initial sound P, spelled P. Here is our alphabet card showing you the animal penguin. Penguin starts with P. P. Here is letter P video, and you can click on this and be able to watch the ABC Mouse video that goes along with the letter P. Objective. What will I do today? Today we're working with initial sound P, spelled P. Today I will demonstrate phonological awareness by identifying words that have the P sound and completing pages 92 and 93 in my student journal. I have added the TEKS cards so that you can see exactly what we should be learning and expected to be doing each day. This is our TEKS for today. This is called rhyme time. So this is not in your book. This is separate. So I wanted to go ahead and read it, and you can look at it and see different things that start with the letter P with the P sound. Here's the capital P, lowercase p. You can read along with me and point to the words that have the beginning sound P. Whoop, sorry there. I'm changing. This is called porcupines and pies. Porcupines and pies. These are animals called porcupines, and they have pies. If porcupines could bake 3 pies, then what would those pies be? Peach for Pearl, and pear for Earl, and pumpkin pie for me. So you can look at each of the beginning words that have the P sound, porcupines and pies. Here are some words with the beginning sound P. Pig, P-ig, pig. Parrot, P-parrot. Starts with the beginning sound P. Pizza, P-pizza. And pencil, P-pencil. All of these words have the beginning sound P, spelled P. Your job today is to complete the activity on pages 92 and 93 of your student journal. So on page 92, you're going to look at the set of 2 pictures. You're going to decide which one has the beginning sound P. Then you're going to circle the one that has the beginning sound P. They have shown you the first one. We have a pig and a boat. Pig, boat. They have circled the pig because it is the picture that starts with the beginning sound P. This is a tire, tire. This is a P, pen. Not a pen that you write with, but a pin that you can stick and it holds things onto other things. Pen. This is a cat and a pan. This is a fruit called a pear. And this is a picture of a man. So you're going to look at the pictures, decide which one begins with the initial sound P, and circle that picture. Over here on the next page, you're going to look at the picture, decide if it has a beginning sound P, and if it does, you're going to write an uppercase P and a lowercase p on these dotted lines. They've done the first one for you. The first picture is a pig. That starts with the beginning sound P. So I'm going to write my uppercase P and my lowercase p. So you need to figure out the rest of the pictures. This is a pencil. This is a ring. This is a piano. This is a leaf. This is a pillow. If they begin with a consonant P that sounds like this, P, you will write the uppercase and lowercase p on the dotted lines. If they do not start with a P sound, you don't have to write a P. But here's an extra challenge. If you want to challenge yourself, you can decide what the beginning letter for these words are that do not start with the letter P, and write that on the lines. So thank you for watching Phonological Awareness Video Monday.